question that everyone has but no one wants to ask is, what is Forex? You might even think, just think about it. Some might say it is all about making money, right? Writing checks. Some might say it's a process that is only reserved for banks. Some might even say it's all about buying shares, selling shares, and so forth. But maybe one can even say it's all about being rich. But is that wrong though? Well, I don't know. Do you? Let me try and switch on that light bulb for you and tell you what Forex is in simple terms. Let us say you're planning a trip in a few months' time from South Africa to America. And obviously you'll be flying. You can't get to that side using a car, right? And you realize that you might be in trouble. Because now the currency that is being used that side and the currency that is used this side is not the same. South Africa uses rands and United States uses dollars. Right. And after some passes and after some thorough research, we realized that most probably 10,000 rands could get you only $650 US. And at that time, obviously. And you strategize and buy them. Right? And buy them into your Visa card and plan on how you're going to use that money at that side to buy essentials, buy everything that you would need just to be that side for the time that you're going to be on that side. And for all your essentials, obviously. And about a few weeks before you leave, things go wrong. Something happens that even stops you from leaving. You realize that you might have to cancel your trip. But now problem is you might need to get your money back. And you see on the news that the dollar has gained strength. And after you convert those dollars into rands, you realize that you got back 15,000 rand, but you only put in 10,000 rand. And you're a bit confused but also happy. But you want to know what happened. Don't worry about that. Let me explain. So you bought dollars physically, and while you had them, the value in your Visa card, the dollar value increased, and that's increasing your total amount. But you only realized that when you had to sell the dollar and buy South African rands. And the whole process for an exchange, which indirectly is a phenomenon of buying and selling currencies simultaneously. So stick around and let us from TheAnonymousFX give you all the information that you need in equipping you with the relevant information. Thank you.